Beautiful ladies of the world, Jigsaw and L-15. I should be the person that you can always run to when you feel like life just ain't treating you right. I should be the person that you can always run to when you know that person just ain't treating you right. I'ma pull up in something so people can see you something special to me, a natural, beautiful woman. No need for stressing, I'm coming. Shit, matter of fact, I've been waiting on him to fuck up. That fucked up on me to think I'm just saying. I knew you first, I ain't tripping. I knew you better than him. He had money, I had time for you, so I'm better than him. Don't think about it, you know it. I'm genuine, yeah, you know it. You love me, you just don't know it. Opportunity, don't blow it. This movie vision is us, not everybody but us. Just trust my decision, ain't no more competition with us. I'm on a mission, we good, no second guessing, you won. I'm paper chasing with you so you can see that I'm the one. Can't no one come in between us, it's loyalty in between us. I really love your demeanor, I'm so digging your demeanor. Don't tell me you ain't attracted, I see the beauty in these. So let's roll up all the weed and remember, I should be the person that you can always run to when you feel like life just ain't treating you right. I should be the person that you can always run to when you know that person just ain't treating you right.
I get lost in your rhymes, they tell an intriguing story. Life ain't treating you right, with me you're happy, no worries. I know you're stressing for blessings, and though they never end. With me you're kicking your feet up, I'm your homie, loving friend. She tell me she going through it, an elegant bitch that's ruined. Got many pursuing, but baby girl, what you doing? You doing you and you need it. Don't try to hide it, I see it. It's been a while since she's needed. She wanna visit her visit. That nigga done up and cheated, chastised and mistreated. I give her just what she needed, the feeling she can't believe it. That nigga, she bout to leave him. Phone number deleting, no tossing, turning while sleeping. Consistency is the reason. Shit, I don't have to bother her, shit, she bother me. And I don't place a text or call, yet she calling me. I know you see it in her eyes, where she won't be. She calls me the denominator, commonly.